United we stand, understanding the power of unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on a very powerful and inspiring phrase in the English language. United we stand. This phrase is not just common in English-speaking countries, but it's also a symbol of strength and unity worldwide. Today, we'll dive deep into its meaning, origins, and how it's used in everyday language. So, let's get started. United we stand is a phrase that emphasizes the importance of togetherness and unity. When people are united, or together as one, they are stronger and more resilient against challenges. This phrase suggests that unity is a source of strength. It's often used in contexts where people are encouraged to come together and support each other, especially during difficult times. This phrase has a rich history. It has been used in many political and social contexts to inspire unity and collective action. For example, it was a motto used during the American Revolution, signifying the colonies' need to join together against the British. Throughout history, United we stand has been a rallying cry in times of conflict, promoting solidarity and cooperation. In modern times, United we stand is used in various situations, from sports teams encouraging teamwork to communities coming together after a tragedy. It's a reminder that we are often stronger when we work together, facing challenges as a united front. You might see this phrase used in speeches, motivational talks, and even in advertising campaigns that emphasize community and cooperation. United we stand is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful expression of unity and collective strength. Whether in historical contexts or modern-day situations, it serves as a reminder of the incredible things we can achieve when we come together. Thank you for joining me in exploring this inspiring phrase. I hope you feel motivated to embrace the power of unity in your own life and communities. Stay united, and see you in the next lesson.